Hallelujah. People of God, we are having a program called Glory Restoration. The reason why we have not come out with a date and a time, because for you to do something or for you to bring out something, you have to seek the permission from the headquarters. Hallelujah. If I say the headquarters, it means that you have to hear from God before you can come out. I planned to host this program this month, but I have to stop to hear the voice of God. We are still praying on it. We are still believing God that the actual date will be given. Hallelujah. And one thing that I want you to understand is, when we talk about the glory of God, the glory of God, what is the glory of God for the first place? Hallelujah. There are so many things that it will be revealed through this program. Hallelujah. Now, I want to teach you something right now. Now, you can see that the Bible says in the book of Romans 3:23 that for have sinned and falling short of the glory of God. Now, it means that when man sinned, man falls short of the glory of God. Meaning, man was living in the spiritual and in the physical. Man was living in the physical and in the spiritual. So the only way you can communicate to God is too spiritual, because when man sinned, man was cut off from the spiritual, because man was living in the physical and in the spiritual. So that's what the Bible said that in the book of John, he said that those who worship him must worship in spirit and in truth. There are so many things that I would decode and bring. There are so many things about the glory of God that you can never think of. I know I am praying, we are believing God that the banner of God will be raised and His glory will be seen. We should all pray. We should all pray into this program. We should all pray into this program. God will prove Himself. We are believing God. God will prove Himself. God will prove Himself. God will prove Himself. I say God will prove Himself. God will prove Himself. Now, one thing that you have to understand is, it's like I'm teaching right now. Why did Jesus Christ love us so much that He came and died for us? Why? Ha daba shanamano shelegede. Ikanda badabado shaha. Why did Jesus Christ love us so much that He came and died for us? Brethren, it's all about the glory. Now here I'll begin to bisect things about why Jesus Christ came. Why Jesus Christ came. I have already said it's all about the glory of God, but there are certain elements that you have to understand. Kalaba do shanamana no shalabadabadabaha. Ikondo lobodo shaha. You need to understand. We are still praying into this program. We are still praying. We are still believing God that it will be powerful. It will be powerful. God bless you all.